Healthy eating starts with simple choices. Today we are making a fresh and refreshing yogurt cucumber. Good food doesn't have to be complicated. Today we are making a fresh and healthy yogurt cucumber salad that your body will thank you for. A healthy lifestyle starts with simple choices, and this refreshing salad is one of them. Fresh yogurt. My cucumber, my carrots, this is lemon, this is lime, this is garlic, this is green mint. I'm grating it. This is thyme. So this is my salad bowl here. I grated a cucumber. So every slice of cucumber adds refreshness, hydration, and a goodness to our plate. Healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices, one meal at a time. As I mix these fresh ingredients together, I am creating more than just a salad. I am creating a healthy choice for my body. Every ingredient brings its own goodness, and together they make something fresh, nourishing, and delicious. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest meals are the most satisfying. The fresh ingredients are coming together. Healthy food is all about balance, freshness, and flavor. A simple bowl like this can brighten your meal and support a healthy lifestyle. So before we add the yogurt, let's take a moment to appreciate these fresh ingredients. Each one adds its own texture, flavor, and nutrition. This is proof that healthy eating can be colorful, simple, and full of goodness. Creamy, cool, and delicious. Yogurt turns into ingredients into something special, nourishing your body, and can be both healthy and enjoyable. So we are mixing the fresh ingredients, coming all together, adding the fresh yogurt. Sometimes the simplest recipe are the most satisfying. A colorful, you can see we are mixing all them together to get the healthy salad as we are looking for. Fresh bowl is a reminder that healthy food can be beautiful too. A little drop of olive oil, a little. So now I am adding the yogurt, bringing all these fresh ingredients together into one creamy, refreshing salad. Healthy eating is not about giving up flavor. It's about choosing ingredients that nourish the body and make us feel our best. Every spoonful is packed with freshness, goodness, and simple nutrition. As the yogurt coats every ingredient, this salad becomes creamy, refreshing, and full of goodness. Healthy food can be simple, delicious, and satisfying. Look at how beautiful everything comes together, just like healthy habits. Small ingredients combined with care can create something wonderful, fresh, nutritious, and made with love. Our yogurt cucumber salad is now ready. Look at how fresh, creamy, and inviting it looks. Remember, every healthy meal is a step toward a healthier and happier you. Taking care of your body doesn't require complicated recipes. Simple, wholesome ingredients can make a big difference. Choose foods that nourish you, stay hydrated, and enjoy every bite with gratitude. Healthy eating starts with simple choices. This fresh yogurt cucumber salad is proof that nutritious food can be delicious, refreshing, and satisfying. Treat your body well. It works hard for you every day. A healthy lifestyle is built one meal at a time. Today, we have created something fresh, nourishing, and full of goodness. Enjoy every bite, stay active, and keep making choices that support your well-being. The name is Bidana Walker Doings. Bidana Walker Vibes on YouTube. Thank you so much. If you are still watching, please don't skip. Keep watching. Leave your comments, and I will support you back. I love you. And here it is, our fresh and creamy yogurt cucumber salad, ready to serve. Simple ingredients, a little time, and a lot of goodness. This salad is light, refreshing, and perfect for anyone looking to enjoy healthy food without sacrificing flavor. Remember, taking care of your health begins with the choices you make every day. Small healthy meals can lead to big positive changes over time. Enjoy your food, nourish your body, and appreciate every step of your wellness journey. Thank you for spending time with me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I will see you in the next recipe. Enjoy this.